We are pleased to show you the 2016 Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, stability control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Taking candy from a baby is easy in theory, but you should really think twice about trying it.
Luckily, buying a car is easier than ever at Nissan of Athens, Georgia's fastest growing Nissan,
where you'll find our #1 rated customer service and bottom line prices on an incredible lineup of new Nissans and a variety of pre-owned vehicles. Every deal backed by our promise to give you an honest quote and the best customer service possible. Plus, if Nissan of Athens doesn't have the vehicle you want in stock, we'll find it and deliver it right to your door.
There are easy ways to satisfy your candy craving. No easy way to buy a car than shopping at Nissan of Athens.